Tonight, a developing and deeply concerning story is unfolding out of Arizona. Authorities are urgently searching for Nancy Guthrie, the 84-year-old mother of Savannah Guthrie, one of the most recognizable faces on American morning television. According to the Pima County Sheriff's Department, Nancy Guthrie was last seen late Saturday night near her home in the Tucson area. Sheriff Chris Nanos told reporters she was last seen at her residence between 9:30 and 9:45 p.m. When she failed to return home or make contact, a family member called 911 around noon on Sunday to report her missing. During a press briefing, authorities revealed that disturbing or concerning circumstances were discovered at the home. Because of those findings, homicide detectives were brought in to assist with the investigation. While officials emphasized that the case is currently being treated as a search and rescue operation, they made it clear they are not ruling out the possibility of foul play. A large-scale search is now underway. Air and ground units are actively combing the area, including drones, K-9 teams, and search crews navigating the surrounding terrain near the residence. Nancy Guthrie is described as being 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing approximately 150 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. Officials say her age makes the situation especially urgent, and time is a critical factor. Authorities are urging anyone who may have seen her or who has any information, no matter how small it may seem, to contact the Pima County Sheriff's Department immediately. As of now, Savannah Guthrie has not made a public statement regarding her mother's disappearance. Representatives close to the family say they are cooperating fully with law enforcement and are grateful for the public's concern and support. This remains a developing story, and authorities say updates will be released as soon as new information becomes available. We will continue to follow this case closely and bring you the latest as the search continues.